Welcome back. We're crafting in the kitchen with Lori from Kearney Walmart, and I bet Tim is just kicking himself right now.
I know, he's probably like,
missing out on the food. Yeah.
These are little graduation treats. These are fast and easy little treats that you can do. They're made with Brownie Bites. We sell Brownie Bites in either our bakery department, or you can buy the box in our like Little Debbie department of little Brownie Bites, and they're just these little tiny brownies. You could also, if you're a baker and you got time, you can make mini muffins, mini cupcakes, cut the tops off and use the bottoms, and then take your tops and make cake pops. So you could multi-purpose them. And all it is some frosting. And I actually recommend using melted chocolate chips, just for the simple fact that it adheres a little bit better. But we're just using frosting because I didn't want to have to harass melting chocolate.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's a simpler option.
So, and then all you do is you put the chocolate into a Ziploc bag and just cut the tip off, and you can use that as like a little pastry bag type thing. Your tassels are made out of airheads.
Those are cute.
So it's just cutting the little color strips off your airheads.
Yeah.
So that's what your tassels are.
And I just
your
put
little
those on with
little tassel dot is just M&Ms. And you can pick whatever color M&M you want. And they go to bed. They're just a nice, simple, easy thing. If you don't want to bake a lot of food, you got a lot of stuff going on for graduation, this would be one of the easier methods to do.
Yeah.
And they go together nice and quick. You don't have to really frost the brownies themselves. You're just using the frosting as like a way to make everything stick together.
So then you kind of just put that on top too.
Oh.
Or no?
No, just dab your little M&M in it. That's perfect.
Oh, okay.
Boop, just like that.
Perfect.
And then you just like
Yeah, perfect.
like that. And then you got your little tassel.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
So, and like I said, the Brownie Bites, if you go to Sam's Club, they sell this bucket, Brownie Bites. That's just, and I love them so much. I know, shocker, I love chocolate. But it's like a big, huge tote of Brownie Bites. So if you didn't want to bake them and you wanted to mass produce these, you can just do that.
Just start a company.
Just start a company and just start them together. Oh, you need another chocolate bar.
Oh, yes.
Yep. We're going to put your finished project over here.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Man. Sarah's looks great. I've got a little frosting everywhere on mine.
We have some struggling, but
but you know what, they're
But
edible.
then you can eat those and get rid of the evidence.
Yeah, that's true.
You can. And like I said,
might intentionally mess up some, right?
Yeah.
And I really like the melted chocolate a lot better, just because, like I said, it adheres. So if you got to travel with them, they're not going to slide apart.
That's good to know.
What a good idea. Thank you so much, Larry.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.